Among Us potion from the dark web. And supposedly, when you drink this Among Us potion at 3 a.m., you turn into the imposter from Among Us. And we're gonna find out if it actually is real or if it's not. And it better be real, you guys. Because I literally spent $500.69. People live here, and not regular people, but I mean ghosts, demons, possessed souls that live here in this haunted building. And we found a perfect place where I could lock myself up at. Look, come here.
What is this?
This door, this room, we have never been inside of, and I think it's the most perfect place for me to transform into the imposter, if it actually is true. Now, when I drink this, it's gonna take about 30 minutes to actually go into full transformation. And I wanna lock myself up in this room, because look, it has a bunch of locked rooms. They have this, and then they have this, so it can be very secured, so nothing bad happens to me or Nicole. Don't ask me why I tasted my own diarrhea one time, but it tastes like diarrhea.
Oh my God, no way.
You know what?
So was my face.
I think that's enough to drink from that. Nicole, please, just stay out here for 30 minutes and then come inside and check up. And then...
Edward!
And then...
Hurry up!
And then just check up on me.
Okay.
Just check up on me, okay?
Okay, just go in there, okay?
I don't know where's the door at.
It's over there, come on.
Where?
It's over here, it's over here. Edward, are you okay?
Just get in there!
Are you gonna get in there?
Nicole, if anything bad happens, if anything fucking bad happens.
Edward? Hello? Edward? Edward?
Ordering.
Edward? Edward, was that you? Was that you? Where are you? Oh my God, Edward, it worked. You really did turn into the imposter. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna vent? Are you gonna vent just like my dad did in 1990?